Good morning. I'm back with my gym vlogs. So today we got a really good video. Better go lift right now at 6 a.m. Then I got 9 a.m. I got Muay Thai practice. And right after I'm about to go hit some recovery. Where would I be? What would I look like? How would I think if I gave 100% of myself for the next year? Where would I be? Let's see. Finally taking my life serious. Now I'm on go mode, light mode. No. It looks so foggy. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. In today's class, we were doing teeps. That's what we're learning. What? Learn the five, so you go push back. And you